Let's learn to work with date and time in Python. This is a brief introduction. This is the epoch, the point in time from where all date and time is measured. And this is the number of ticks that have passed since the epoch. This is the local time, and this is the local time for 777 seconds from the epoch. ASC time lets us format the time. We can also give it the local time to format. C time gives us the same thing as does ASC time. Clock gives us the number of seconds elapsed and again. GM time gives us the current time in UTC, and make time takes a time tuple and returns the equivalent amount of ticks or seconds. STRF time lets us format the time, and STRP time passes formatted time. Alt zone gives us the local DST's time zone offset. Time zone is the same as alt zone without DST. And TZ name is the name of the local time zone with and without DST. We also have the calendar module. This is the calendar for December of 2019. And this is it printed nicely.